Welcome guys, so today I am with the Google Pixel 7 and I want to show you camera tips and tricks for this device. Okay, so first of all, we can start from the standard photo mode. As you can see, when you are here, we can use the zoom feature. We can go for the ultra wide lens, for the 1x and also for 2x zoom. If you wonder about the maximum zoom of this phone, just take a look. You can pinch screen with your two fingers and you can zoom in to the 8 times. That's the maximum zoom. On the Pixel 7 Pro you can zoom to the 30 times. It's thanks to the additional lens that you can find on the back. Right here we can find only 2 lenses. So that was the method to zoom in, but you can also click and hold the already selected preset and you will enable this slider. So you will be able to zoom in like that without pinching the screen with the 2 fingers. And that was the tip about the zoom. Right now when you are in the photo mode, we can also enable the sliders. That's the white balance and also exposure compensation with the ISO. So you can enable this function in the settings. I'm going to show you where you can find it. And here we can set the white balance, exposure compensation, and also ISO. If you want to reset the parameters, just tap on the arrows above these bars. Next, we can simply go for the functions of the volume buttons. So when you click once, you are going to take photo. When you click and hold, you are going to record short video. When you release the button, it will be finished. It works the same for the volume up and down. When you go to the shutter, you can also make the same. Click and hold to record the video. When you slide to this lock, you don't have to hold this button anymore. And as you can see, when you are recording the video, we can at the same time adjust the exposure, the white balance and the ISO. So that's a great feature. To finish, just tap right here. And right now we can smoothly move for the some settings. When you tap right here, we can, for example, enable the tap shot option or just turn it off. And if you don't know what is going on here, you can just tap on this information icon. And as you can see, this function, it works like the Pixel will suggest the frames that are worth to save. So I think that's the useful feature and I can recommend you to turn it on and enable automatically. We can also enable timer between 3 or 10 seconds, you can decide. And when you enable for 3 seconds, for example, just click on the shutter, there will be countdown on the screen, but also there will be light from your flashlight at the back. Okay, right now we can turn it off and then we can change the ratio of the camera between 4:3 and the 16:9, but I can recommend you to stay with this one. Right here we can get the best quality of the photos. Next we can go for the more settings. So as you can see right here we can get this location tags and this option is enabled as the default. So what it is, that's very simple and obvious, I guess. You can go for the photo details and as you can see right here on the location tab, you will find basically the exact location where the photo was taken with the date and the time. Okay, let's go back for the settings. We can also disable this camera sound. So when you hear the countdown, you can turn it off right here. In this place, we can change function of the volume buttons. So I just show you that we can use them to take the photo, but we can also treat them as the zoom feature. So right now, when you go back and then click and hold the volume up button, we are going to zoom in very smooth and zoom out with the volume down button. Next option that you can find right here, it will be in the advanced. You can change, for example, the photo formats, enable the social media, the features, like for example, the extensions from TikTok, Instagram or Snapchat. You can also enable the gray lines. And here you can find this option to enable the white balance and the exposure with the normal photo or the video mode. Right here we can change photo resolution, but for sure I can recommend you to stay with the full resolution. And right here, if you want to remove the mirror effect on your photos from the selfie camera and get it like on the preview, just turn it right here. And right now, each photo you take, it will look the same like on the preview without the flipping on the another side. And yeah, that's the audio zoom and the video stabilization. I can recommend you to enable these both features. And right now, when we smoothly move for the video mouse, right here we can find also the slow motion, where you can adjust the speed of the slow motion, and also the time lapse, where you can adjust the length of the time lapse video. Right here, when you tap on the normal video mode, you can enable the video stabilization. You get 4 different presets. Right here, you can find the description of each one with the preview right here. In my case, right now it is not working. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi. But normally you got the short video with the preview of this feature. In this place, we can find the panorama mode, photosphere, and lens. That's the Google Lens application. In the portrait mode, that's nothing interesting, but we got some kind of the information about the update. We got also the motion photos, and the night side, that's the night mode. So yeah, actually that's my tips and tricks for the Google Pixel 7 camera. I hope that I helped you guys. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.